Whether you are a newbie or a legend in the cryptocurrency or in forex, guy, make money in crypto now. This is March. Look, this is March. Okay, for make money in crypto with this simple strategy. Stop waiting. Okay, stop waiting for people. You understand? Go and do this thing yourself. Just buy deep and sell high. The crypto is one way. The bull run is one way now. If this year is over, guy, mind you, you have to wait for more 4 years. All you need to do, have confidence in yourself, is that buy deep, sell high. So look for the narrative. Crypto in GPU, in storage area, rendering. Crypto in Solana ecosystem, because there's a lot of money going into Solana. Cryptos in Ethereum layer 2. Cryptos that have not made their move yet, they are about to move. They are in the accumulation phase, about to exit the accumulation phase. Most of the crypto have exited the accumulation phase. So guys, look at this simple strategy. Use it. Okay, use it and make money for yourself. Right now, if you are newbie, this is trading view. Add all your portfolio, all the cryptos, a lot of them, just add them to your trading view list. Create different lists if you are using trading view. So how do you get this crypto if you don't have currently? Just go to maybe like kucoin exchange, like kucoin and mexc. Those are the crypto exchange that have a lot of tokens. Okay, so go home, you see these gainers, add as many as you can. Come to losers, add as many as you can. Immediately you have them in the plain list, just like this. You can see a lot of coins here in your portfolio. So now you add more to another one, add more to another one. You see these my beautiful spot portfolios. So all you need to do, these are my top portfolios, you understand? So add as many as you can. So all you need to do is now open one of them, you understand? Switch your time frame to 1 week. You can say I'm on 1 week. Okay, if you are using, you can say I'm on 1 week time frame. So guys, buy the dip, sell the high. The best time you will have bought what is it called, ICP, will have been in this accumulation phase. I told you this, I use normal language for you to understand. This is where men mount, men at the bottom and men at the top. So when there was a break here, this was the best time. You can see I bought ICP at 5.5 and I sold at 12. I've taken profit. I only left 20%, okay, in ICP. So guy, if ICP pass you, me say it did not make us speak pidgin. Me say you go buy again. There are others that have not made this move, but all the cryptos, I'm telling you, they make this move. They must have the bear, the bear market, the accumulation, the period is start showing sign that I'm going. Look at this candle. Let me zoom. Are you seeing this candle? This candle showed me I'm going. That is why I entered from here. You understand? At 5.5. All the crypto do the same. Let me show you more. Just be scrolling. So you have them. All you need to do, you have to check what is it called, ICP. It's still good to buy ICP now. Maybe after this accumulation phase, it will show you sign that it's breaking. That is when you will buy, but not now. Look for the one that have not made this move. Well, very easy. Scroll to the next coin. This meme, the best place to have bought this meme is quite late. I'm not saying it's late. This might be the new low. You understand? But for you to have high probability, buy the ones maybe after this dream, when memes show you this movement at 0.27, this is the best place you will have bought meme. So let me show you all the crypto. Look for the ones that have not made that big move. Look, let me show you that is how everything move. Look, let me show you that is how everything move. This is R. I bought R at $9. Look at it. At 9.5, when there was a break, look at it, there was an accumulation phase here. I called it where men was pushing from the top and men were pushing from the down. And finally, the men at the bottom broke the men at the top. There will be a free movement before the next junction where men will mount again, which we call the resistance. So guys, this is not time to buy R. This was the best time to buy R. So look, if R has passed, forget about R. Go and look for another crypto that will give you this price action, this accumulation phase that just broke out and is about to make the big move above. Okay, so there are many of them. So immediately you see this, you will find many. Let me just show you. I found one yesterday which I'm currently trading. I found Atom yesterday. Atom was at I think 10. Yeah, Atom was at 10 or 11. I enter. You can see. I don't want to show you my, what is it called? I entered Atom here. This was where men mount. There was a dragon here, men at the top, men at the bottom. And all of a sudden, there was a break. I just entered Atom last night, guys. So look for things. I'm not saying you should go and buy Atom. Do your own research. Just look for the ones that do like this. If you have seen the price action give you this shape, what is the next thing? You find out if the token is a legit token. If it's legit, it will move. Even though it did not move like other, it will move because it has not made it move here yet. The bull run has not even started. You can see some coin have pumped. These ones that have not pumped, they will still pump. So the only thing you need to follow is that you have seen the name now, Cosmos. Go to your coin market cap. So your next stage of research after the price action, I mean the shape, it has given you that low verb about to move and break the low verb. Okay, the men at the bottom are about to break the men at the top. That is, the support is strong and it's about to break out from the accumulation phase. The next is to come to coin market cap and search for that Cosmos. So what you are going to look into in this particular coin is that you check first the market cap 4 billion is huge, but it will still make move. But what you will know is that Atom, because it has a large market cap, is not going to move like the new coin. This is an old coin, definitely. Atom is an old coin. It's not going to move that much, but at that shape, it's going to give you a move that will give you profit. So you will know that you will take profit quick in Atom. Okay, that is to show you the market cap. If the market cap is very low, like I will show you in the next coin I'm going to select, then you have higher hope that this coin from $100 million market cap, like when we are going to 1 billion, we are going to 500 million. Okay, so now the next thing, you check the project. How legit is the project? You read about it, click about, look at what the project is all about. So if a project is talking about helping helping other projects like AI project and game to store data in cloud. Let me give you an example, like render, like AR, you understand, like AR, R-Wave, like Filecoin, storage. Those are good narrative because those coins are very strong. They are not strong because of media hype. They are strong because of their usage. You understand? So if the coin is talking about GameFi, you understand, Heskin GameFi project and other, you know that is narrative. The narrative we have now, let me count there for you. You have storage, where AI blockchain store their data in cloud. We call the GPU. We are talking about Solana ecosystem. Any coin that comes out that Solana ecosystem that is legit, you see the community is booming. That coin is going to move because there's large liquidity in Solana. We talk about Ethereum layer 2, Web3, DeFi. You know that decentralization. If you read it, you don't have to be expert. Just read it and see if it's talking about any of those things I'm telling you. Those are the narrative. Narrative means things that money is going into, things that are developing, new things, not the old ones. You understand? All right, guys, let me summarize for you. In summary, look at Filecoin. You added all the coins, do research, add from top losers, top gainers in kucoin, mexc. Do some research of coin you are hearing about too on the internet, Twitter, and also on the YouTube. Add them. If somebody give you signal, don't just go and buy. Open it on your trading view just like this. This is Filecoin. So, okay, is Filecoin good time to buy? Yes, I think it is because Filecoin has been down for years, and now from this, what I'm seeing an accumulation phase where men mount at the top and men at the bottom, support and resistance, and there was a big break of the men at the top, which means this coin is going to fly before it reach the next mount, the next resistance at the top around these zones. Okay, so now the best zone you are going to take profit should be here. Okay, this particular area, as you can see, because this movement will not be obstructed till we get here. Okay, it can only be obstructed at the lower time frame, but definitely we are going to get here. Okay, so what you do, guy, since you see that this gives you a good vibe, should I allow it to retrace a little? It might retrace a little and go, but in bull run, bro, you don't wait for too much retracement. You can buy and be doing DCA. This here means that if you are supposed to buy this coin with $100 here, since you see there are atom of you are thinking that it might retrace because there is room for that, this weekly time frame, you buy with $20 first. When it reach this level, you buy with another $20. When it reached the next level, maybe you now buy with the entire money you intend, since it has come to the main place you wanted it to be. The reason why you are buying here first, do this, is that in case it did not return, it might just do like this and go. Okay, so guys, this Filecoin, the next thing you do after saying yeah, it's time to buy, but is this project I'm buying a good project, just go to CoinMarketCap, see what Filecoin is all about. For this Filecoin to be in my portfolio, it means a good project. I don't add any trash project in my portfolio. Filecoin is about storage. It's about storage, rendering and storage. You understand? It's going high because all this AI, blockchain, blah blah blah, they need Filecoin. So naturally, whether hype or no hype, whether you hear about somebody talk about Filecoin, it's going to go higher because of the usage and the narrative it follows. So now that is all you need, guys. Buy the dip, as you can see, and sell the highs. Easy. So guys, the last thing I'm going to tell you, that join X, Twitter, unfollow all those people you have been following that they don't give you value. Follow people that are into crypto. Follow people that are into crypto. Go to YouTube, unsubscribe for all other people that make you laugh, to laugh away your life. Follow people that give you knowledge on crypto and investment. You understand? So when you hear about it, you are not following them blindly. Even though you follow blindly, say, with this current bull run, you will still make money. Because too much I don't know will make you not to even make money again. So when you hear signal, when you hear about a coin, come and put it, read about it, find out if it's a good project. Please, the only thing I will warn you about, be careful of meme coin. Meme coin will give you the most money in this bull run. Meme coin will give you the most money. So the advice I will give to you, put in little amount in some of the meme coin you have researched well. You hear people talking about it on Twitter. You are seeing the chart is very good area to buy, so you can put in small money. Okay, so why the coins that you know that whether there is hype or no hype, like Filecoin, Alwave, Render, all those coins, if they give you a buy position like Filecoin is giving you now, is good time to buy. You can put in good money, okay, and sell the highs, guys. So I don't want to waste much time again. Like this video, guy. I didn't say you should give me money. Join my Telegram group. I will also be dropping some signal. Do your own research after saying signal is just to give you a clue. Okay, this coin, let me go and check if it's at a good buy time. So I will drop also signal. You can buy. Join other signal group on spot. Crypto go on spot. Okay, when they drop coin, go and research if it gives you what I just told you. You buy. Join the Telegram group. It helps. We talk about airdrop. We have a airdrop. We talk about spot, okay, and little bit of futures. A newbie don't trade futures. So guys, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel. Please comment, just say something, tell me thank you, talk about crypto on the comment, and like this video so that YouTuber will find the engagement and suggest this video to other people, so that we make all this money together in 2024 2025 before the bull run end. Thank you. See you in the next video.